Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to optimize our code using some of the tips and tricks in the decision control structure. Today we will learn one of the scenario where we have two contradicting conditions in a single alternative decision. For example, you see the example on the screen. We are saying if x is greater than 40, then you want to do something here. And then this is one block of single decision control. The next decision block control is exactly opposite, but currently we have written as two separate decision controls. In one scenario, we are saying x is greater than 40, then do something. And then we get out of that block and we write if x is less than equal to 40, then do something. These two can be merged into a single block using if and else condition. We can say if x is greater than 40, then do something else. And that's what dual decisions are meant for. Else, do something here. And you can see these two individual single decision controls converted into a dual decision control. Again, pay attention. You want to make sure that the value of the condition, the value of x, has not been altered in between here. Then you can comfortably convert these two into this dual decision control. I hope this makes sense. Again, you have to analyze the code. Our goal is not to change the logic, but to optimize the code using some of the tips and tricks you are learning here. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the class. Go ahead and do the practice, solve the quiz questions, and master this skill. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.